How to remove your payment card from Netflix. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel App Guide. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can actually remove your payment card from your Netflix account. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. So here is a decent thing that you need to understand. Your subscription comes from your payment information, which could be your card or any other payment method that you've added. And if you remove the card, you can't remove it as long as you don't cancel your subscriptions or unless you've added an alternative payment method, because as long as the subscription is active, Netflix needs to charge you from that specific card or that payment method that you've added. So if you have only one card on your Netflix account, you will not be able to remove it unless you add a secondary card so that you can get charged next month. Or else what you can also do is just cancel the subscription first and then remove your card info in that way. And to do all of this process, you will not be able to do it from the Netflix app. Again, understand that yourself. Then what you need to do is instead you want to head over to your browser, go to netflix.com, then sign into your account respectively. As you can see, I've already done so. Now if you want though, I'll also have a link in the description box below. Now once you've loaded up the website, tap the three lines icon from the top left hand side of the screen here. Once you tap the three lines icon from the top left, you want to just go to account here. And once you go to account, if you look over here, you can see manage payment info. Just tap on manage payment info. Now what you have to do is, I will not be able to delete this because as long as I tap on the edit button, even if I tap on edit, I will not find the option to delete this payment method as long as I have not added another payment method. Or what you can do is just tap on add payment method over here. You can add a secondary payment method. Only after you add two or more than payment methods, you'll be able to delete your primary payment method, because that's just how it works. And as I said, Netflix needs to keep your subscription because your subscription is active. If Netflix doesn't have a payment info, it will not be able to give the subscription for you or provide it for you. So hope this video helped you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.